Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I am thankful that this fall we've had exceptional fall colors. I'm also thankful that I got the opportunity to take pictures of some of them, and I will be showing them over this clip. But I told my friend about a week or two ago that it seems like the fall colors this year are wonderful, and then I've seen some other people posting from different places around the world, and I gotta believe that that God has been like, you guys, 2020 has been like a really bad year for humanity, and I want to give you something to enjoy in spite of everything that has gone on this year, from politics to COVID-19 and everything in between. That's just my little take on the subject, but it's probably the best fall colors I've seen in about 10 years. I always seem to see a little bit or whatever, and it starts to turn, and then we get like a high wind, or we'll get a lot of rain or something that just pulls all the leaves down before you can get a chance to enjoy them. And this year it's been a little bit different. Just about everywhere I've gone, I've been able to kick back and enjoy the scenery. Okay, we've given this one as much time as we can give it. I am pulling it and calling it a flop. But because we have not had a frost here, we are lucky. Bucket. Hold on. I know I got something. See, I told you I had something. Last time I trimmed off quite a bit of the tomato. This time I'm going to see what I can do about just letting it grow. And so today I'm really thankful that we got to have some good fall colors this year. What are you thankful for today? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you're new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget our free TubeBuddy link in the description box below. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching, God bless, and see you next time.